Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to select the layers. Sometimes when we do professional work, then we created so many layers, so it's very difficult to organize them and need to put them together. So with this project, there was some other background already I deleted. So I'm showing you, looks, there is lots of layers, and I want to put all together. I want to select them and I want to linking them for moving or resizing, but it's very difficult part by part or one by one. If I do transfer, or if I shift to another place, then it's very difficult. Look, sorry to interrupt the session. I saw some dots in here. I want to erase this one. Actually, this is very old one project for one travel agency. I'm showing how to select and linking and the layers. So now there is lots of layers, so I'm going to select them. First of all, we have to select the selection tool, and after that we have to select it from the artboard. Now I'm going to select it, just clicking left click on the mouse, and it's selected already. A second time I'm doing the selection. Right side, look on the layer portion, the selected layers already selected layer already highlighted, so it's showing that already it's selected. Now I deselect them. If I move in left side, then some layers lost their places. Again I'm selecting. Right side, all layer is already highlighted, and I'm going to linking them. Look, this is the linking button, and I'm linking them. I'm moving in left right, and all move together. I can do resize. All is actually if we do resize or if we do transform, then automatically it changes its shape. So this is the way, very easy one things, and but who don't know, for them it's very difficult. So this is the way for selecting and linking. Thank you.